Our fix is successful. See? Now all we have to do is to put this back in the car. Hello ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Look at this. Now here's our problem. So today in this episode we're going to fix this again. If you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe so that our channel will grow. Okay, let's start it out. Alright, so the first one is we're gonna remove this one. This ship knob here. This one here has special ring. It needs to be screwed down like that. Okay, it needs to be screwed down. There are little screws over here, Allen screws, that we need to unwind. Oh. Serve it. Right. So I think this one can be removed now. See, now this ring will be removed too. Okay, so we're just gonna remove these things here. And this one too. And also the charger. So after removing it, the next thing to do is to pull this one out. There you go. So just carry this one away. This screw. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna press the tab 2 here. There you go. Let's remove this. Okay, and then just pull from the right. Okay, so let's press each tab and then gentle wiggle the water off and you will remove it. Press again and then wiggle off. Press again and wiggle. Alright, so we now have the panel completely off. Okay, so let us take it inside the house and let's try to fix it.
Thousands of tears later.
Alright, so we have connected the aircon temporarily. And let's check if the up button will work already. Our fix is successful. See? Now all we have to do is to put this back in the car. So as you can see, the numbers are going up. Did you see that? So the button is now working. That's the maximum, 20 degrees. Now let's go down. Alright, so it's working. There you go. We have successfully fixed the temperature button by simply adding a carbon contact on the existing carbon contact. please subscribe if you have learned something from me today. Thank you for watching. Share this video. Bye.